Welcome back to Blacknote Music Center. This is lesson 14 in our beginner piano course. Today is a very exciting lesson because today you are going to discover something powerful. You don't need to know hundreds of chords to play songs. In fact, you can play thousands of songs just using 3 chords. Yes, just 3. Let's get into it. Most popular songs are built using simple chord patterns. And one of the most common is C, F, G. These 3 chords are called the 1-4-5 progression. Don't worry about the theory name, just remember C, F, G. These 3 chords alone can help you play a huge number of songs. So let's quickly review these 3. C major, C, E, G. If you still remember, our C major is E, C, E, G. Our F major is F, A, C. F, A, C. Our G major, G, B, D. G, B, D. So play each chord slowly. And make sure your fingers are relaxed. So step 1, let's connect them. C, F, G, C. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold each chord, okay, and repeat slowly. This is your foundation. Let me show you the sample. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also play like this in version 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's make it sound like music. Instead of holding, play, down, down, down. So each chord gets 4 beats. And you keep it steady. Use a metronome if possible. Let me put on metronome here. I'm taking it to 60 BPM. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, step 3. Now let's add a simple melody. Right hand, you play C, D, E, D, C. Okay, C, D, E, D, C. So your left hand, C, okay, F, G, C. Again, C, F, G, C. Okay, play slowly, and this is how real songs are created. Step 4. Let's use different style. So I want you to try a different pattern. Block chords, broken chords, bass plus chord, alternating bass. Okay, let's try block chords. Let me put metronome. Let's move together. This is broken chords. Let's play the block chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move 1, 2, 3, 4 to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. F. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you can also do the same thing on the left. 1, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try the broken chords. On the right, I taught you this one. Again. One, 2, 3, 4, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is broken chords. Why this one? This is block chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is block chord. Now broken chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. With bass. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alternating bass. Bass and chord. So same chords, different sound. Okay. So you may not realize it, but many songs use this exact progression, and that is why learning these 3 chords is so powerful. Once you understand this, you can start figuring out songs by ear. Step 5. Now let's try this. C, F, G, C. So I want you to create your own melody. So use these simple notes: C, D, E, G. Okay, C, D, E, G. So I want you to create your own melody. You can experiment. Okay, there is no wrong answer here. Just play. Okay, and common beginner mistakes. Number 1, avoid overthinking. Don't think too much. Avoid playing too fast. Take it slow. Don't play for speed. It will come eventually. Avoid stopping when you make mistakes. Okay, when something is wrong, make it a style. Continue. Okay, and avoid trying to be perfect. Music is about expression, not perfection. So practice daily. Our number 1 assignment. I want you to play C, F, G progression. Number 2, try different accompaniment styles. Number 3, add simple melodies. Number 4, experiment freely. And make sure you practice 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So I want you to type yes if you didn't know 3 chords could do this. Have you heard songs that sound like this? So are you ready to try your own melody? I want you to comment below. So today you will learn something powerful. You don't need many chords to play music. With just C, F and G, you can already start playing songs. In the next lesson, I will show you how to recognize songs and play them by ear using these chords. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and join my live lessons every Monday and 7 p.m. South African time. This is Blacknote music, and now you can start playing real songs today.